Currently, there is a trend, especially on TikTok. Well, it originated on the Instagram app. So today, I will try to recreate it and try the app itself. So if you are not aware, this is the filter from Instagram. So just click the plus sign and go to the story icon. Click this and I'll try this dirty flash at the bottom, guys. So AI will generate the image. I look weird. I think it's just me, it's my face. So the vibe is super nice. I like it. How do you save it? Just click this download button and it will automatically be in your feed or in your photos. Okay, let's try another photo. Click the 3 diamonds. I think those are diamonds. And search or look for the dirty flash film effects. Let's try it. I like it. Oh my god, this is nice. So I will save it. Based on what I experimented, guys, dirty flash is the best effect slash filter here. And if you tried plenty of times, it will have a limit. Try dirty flash again and it will say daily limit reach. So there is a limit on how to edit or how many edits you can do in a day. Okay, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions. See you on the next video. Bye.